Mummify your life!
Whoa! With an oil?
Oh,
What is this?
this is getting weird.
Yeah.
Why? Oh no, the toes! 5-minute craft. Stop it with the toes.
Oh, I feel this.
Ah! What the freak?
What?
What?
Salt?
So apparently,
Oh, they got mummify.
mummify. Exactly. This video is how you mummify someone in 2023. Oh no, the poor lady. Is she okay?
Is it the? Yeah, really. Come on.
1 month later. I'm sorry. What?
I mean, of course, it's not true, right? It's
Ah,
yeah.
yes. It's a real
But
human
it
being.
looked kind of natural. I mean, believable.
Yeah. Okay, so now we're getting some wet toilet paper, wrapping it up.
It's how your skin looks after a month in the sun.
Yeah.
Ooh, dang.
Yeah, they used to get ancient Kleenex and just wrap it all up. It's nice. Ah, yeah, and they used to bury people with their pets as well. Especially if they were like, oh
no! Oh, my brain melting.
no, stop that. That's so, why did you pick this video? Oh, I don't know if I can watch this. I'm feeling a little bit sick. Oh, that one.
Wow.
That was gross.
They showed it kind of
Yeah.
well.
And now they put all the organs of the pets in there. Oh no, that's not of the pets, that's of the person.
That's their how I forgot. I mean, in a different.
Yeah, they put them in
place.
different things.
Yes, but how this thing's called? I mean, I don't know.
Like urns?
Urns.
Yeah, I think it's urns.
But there is a special gods or someone on top of it. The faces.
Oh yeah, they have the
So-
Egyptian gods on
yeah.
them. Yeah. You're right.
If
Yeah, because
I'm
otherwise,
wrong,
if the
let us
organs
know.
stayed inside, then the body would start smelling really bad. I think that's why they take out all the juices, all the organs, all the everything, and they just leave the dry, empty husk of your body.
yes.
It's really, really nice.
What the mask creating?
No, the husk. Okay,
Oh,
so now we're putting
boy.
metal around it. I guess this is how they used to get the shape. Bang it around. Obviously not with tinfoil, but
But wait a second, they used the face for creating this.
they might have. They might have.
Wow, but it's not that strong to.
Ugh,
Okay,
it's going in the hair. I don't think they used this back in the day.
Yeah, I have doubts about it.
I mean,
But maybe
they had to
used
make
something
molds somehow.
Yeah.
So maybe.
Kind of.
Guys, let us know if you're Egyptologists.
Oh, and now they got a mask.
Ah.
Wow, it's a bunch of work.
That looks cool though. That's a good mask.
Yeah. Usually they from gold, right, or something.
Yeah, they would make them out of gold probably. It depends how like popular you are as a person. Uh-oh, I can. Oh, I thought the eyes were gonna open.
No way.
Okay, now we have some paper, dipping it in green water. A little mixy roundy. All right, stack it up. Stack up them dollars. Fold it up.
Did you watch that movie, Mommy? With
Mommy?
Yes. With
You mean the mummy?
Mom? Yeah.
Mommy.
Mommy.
Do you guys watch Mommy?
Sorry for my pronunciation.
It's okay. I didn't watch the new one, but I watched the original.
The original.
With Brendan Fraser.
Yes.
That is the best.
best.
I watched it
Exactly.
back, and when I was a kid, I watched it. I loved it. But then I watched it recently, and I was thinking like, oh, maybe it's not as good as I remember, because sometimes that happens.
you
It
were-
was better. It was so good.
Ah.
Yeah.
Nice. After rewatching was nice.
Yeah, exactly.
Nice. Good. It's also my favorite. And then actor Brendan Fraser.
Yeah. He's the bomb.
Yeah.
He's like basically another Indiana Jones for me. Harrison Ford levels. Okay, it looks like we're making some kind of weird book. I don't know why.
To write the story
Ah,
this person,
yes,
I
yes.
guess.
Maybe it's like
But
a
is it-
ancient text.
Is it still continue of that video or it's another video?
I don't know. I think it's another video. So it's the ancient curses of
Oh,
Egypt.
okay.
Maybe, I don't know.
Wow.
It has a snake in it.
It would be a metal snake, right? No.
Maybe.
Nah,
Lame. No metal. Lame. Okay.
But why they just didn't use that snake?
I don't know.
Where they?
Maybe they want to make multiple snakes.
Maybe. That's
So they made them
fair.
more. Okay, so
good
now
enough.
what?
Of
We're gluing
course.
it onto our thing. And now it looks cool. So it looks like a cool book.
Yeah.
I just don't know what it's for. Maybe a book of spells.
Or
Spell
maybe-
book.
I don't know.
I don't know. I like it though.
Wow. It looks like a skin. You have to see.
Yeah.
It just make me.
Ugh.
Yeah.
You're right. It does look like skin. I love it.
Okay.
Just kind of want to put it in my mouth. No. Not the skin. The book.
With whom I'm watching the videos.
That's a question you should have asked yourself a long time ago. Anyway. So now we have a snake book.
Actually, I guess it's it's.
It looks like a book. I don't know how I feel about green pages. Do you like them?
I don't know. I mean,
Green
I'm not
and,
against them,
Yeah.
but I'm not sure about them.
Green and brown is kind of a cool color combination. It reminds me of like mint chocolate chip.
Green and brown.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Okay. It's kind of cool. For a book?
I guess so.
I'd give
Or
that
for
book out
your
of 10.
notes.
Yeah.
I don't know.
If you want to write some voodoo stuff on there, you do you. Voodoo.
Yeah.
To
Now,
do.
you do. But look, it's almost barely visible your drawing.
It's a lot of effort. Just use your diary.
Why not?
Yeah.
But still, bunch of work. I mean,
Okay, we got more paper, more water.
Okay.
Ammonium hydroxide. Hydroxide, yeah.
to get rid of the whole drawers.
I don't know why. Do you guys know why they put it in there? I guess it's to make it more like looking more old, I guess.
No, it's just get rid of previous ink.
Ah. Oh yeah, you're right. Okay, then we're pressing them all together overnight.
Straight.
Pull it out. And let's see the final result.
Wow.
Straighter pieces of paper. Okay. Jute
Oh.
rope.
Oh, the same technique, right?
This is cool.
But wow, it's really much work, right?
It is too much work for a
Yeah,
book,
it's-
I believe.
But the cost of such a book, I guess.
It could be, yeah. I don't think it's worth it still.
Because you're not the.
I'm not a bookographer.
Yeah.
I'm not a
Yes.
book enthusiast like this. I like books, not a bookmaker.
It doesn't matter how books looks like. It's matter.
It's
what
about what's inside of the
Yeah.
book, and there's nothing inside this.
So useless.
Yeah.
Always so bad person.
Guys, let us know. Do you,
Yeah.
do you judge books by their covers? We do. We only judge by the inside and the cover. But
Yeah.
first the cover. Okay, burning for texture. Guys, let us know. What is your favorite book if you read books? And if you don't read books, read a book and then tell us what you
Yeah.
think. This is a long-term investment right now.
Yeah.
Archie 5 motivating you. Improve your grammar.
So yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay, folding it in. This time they
Those
actually cut it with
corners, yeah.
looks a lot better. Ooh, a little metal grating. Okay, why not?
Okay. For me personally, better than snake.
Yeah, I like that better. Okay, we got a clock going on.
I think we gotta take the gear. And
I love the
there.
insides of clocks. I wish I could live on the inside of a clock. You know?
Live
You know
inside.
what I'm talking- yeah.
Well, no, I don't know.
Like a
what
house
about
with like
that.
spinning gears and stuff. I think
Yeah.
that'd be cool. A little bit of a hazard, but
Then,
you've never had the urge to live inside a clock?
no,
I feel like that's just something that every person has. Just the urge to live inside a clock.
not me. If you do, let us know.
Yes. Okay.
And if you're with me, what have you thought about this?
Let us know
also?
if you also disagree.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that was
That was reverse. If you...
I don't know. I think it was the other way. I think they just have crazy skills.
So I'm here to tell obvious things.
Ah.
That was reverse.
Okay, we got a steampunk looking book. Or cyberpunk? No, it's steampunk.
Steampunk. Okay.
We've been corrected on that before.
What do you think could be written in such a book?
Yeah, let us know. What is written inside that book?
Yeah. Or what you would read right there.
True. See, that's what I imagine. Like some cool designs of like new inventions.
Some arrows and some.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, give us more.
More actions.
Right now.
Please.
Please.